Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. If you're new here, I usually do videos on all things cute, whether that's Squishmallows, Squishables, Loungefly, Hello Kitty, Sanrio. I said Hello Kitty. I meant to group them together. But all that good stuff is stuff that goes up on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Today I'm doing something slightly different. It's within the Sanrio world. I'm talking about a food subscription box. This is like a snack box from Japan. It's called Bokksu. And I filmed this video already. Didn't like the footage, so I'm redoing it again. The best part is that I've actually tried most of these snacks now. I held them up on camera because honestly there's so many cute, nice options in this box. And now I've actually tried a majority of them, so that's why it'll be even better now that I'm talking about this. And I'll be writing in the description box as well the snacks that I really love and the standouts. So Bokksu, like I said, is a Japanese snack box. And what I really like is that it has this pamphlet with a lot of information about the cultural significance of certain ingredients, of certain dishes. I think that type of context really helps you enjoy food a little bit better. Plus, I'm kind of a picky eater, but I really loved everything in the snack box because there is a good combination of sweet and savory items. I tend to have a sweet tooth more than a savory tooth, but it was a great time, and I did share a lot of these snacks with my friends and with my husband, who is a big snacker, and he will try just about anything. In the booklet, there are classifications on what is vegetarian and what contains any kind of like meat product or seafood product. So there is that. I think probably the two standout products that everyone's been showing on Instagram is the Hello Kitty Teacup and Saucer. This teacup is a little bit bigger than the traditional teacup that I'm used to, but I actually like it a lot better because I feel like I'm less likely to spill anything. The design is very cute and dainty, florally and beautiful, and it also has like a little teacup saucer, and they came packaged in this cardboard, so it didn't break, it didn't chip. So one of my favorite snacks in this box was the strawberry Choco Mochi. It came with two, so I kept one for myself. I really loved the flavor and the texture, and then I gave one to my dad because again, he's a big snacker as well. So it's stuffed mochi and it's flavored with strawberry, but once you get to the center there's like this creaminess, and it is vegetarian, but it does contain milk and soy. It tasted so good, the texture was amazing, and I really love that one. I feel like I should go in the order of the items that I really loved, and they also happen to be the cutest items in the box. There was a My Melody frosted cookie that I took a bite when I was trying to film this video initially. So good because it was not too sweet. I don't love super sweet like frosted cookies or cupcakes that have like so much frosting. And yeah, there's the hack where you can like cut it in half and like make it into a sandwich, but even still it's too sweet for my teeth. Not that my teeth have any sensitivity, I guess they do, but like not in the way like, oh, you have cavities, more so just like sometimes it's just too much sugar for me and I actually don't enjoy it. But that My Melody frosted cookie was so good, and also of course super cute. So one of my favorite items that I did eat the first time that I was initially filming this video is this Hello Kitty printed cookie. It was so good. It has the map of the region, which was part of the design on it, and I thought that was a nice cute touch, and I like that the booklet kind of elaborates further on that. Like I said, it gives you additional context to what you're eating. Another item that I really liked was the Hello Kitty and Friends little biscuits. You got 4 of them, so it was nice to share. So I gave one to my husband, I gave one to my dad for lunch, and I kept 2 for myself. And the packaging of course is adorable, but they're also really good because they weren't too sweet, but they weren't salty in any way. Just like a little mild biscuit. I don't know how to describe it, but it was actually really good, and I like the travel size packaging. It was nice to take on the go. I did have my husband try out all the rice crackers in this box because there's a couple different variations, but these right here were his favorite. They kind of have pickled plum flavoring in them and like savory soy sauce flavoring. Sorry, that's a tongue twister. So I gave it to my husband along with the shrimp crackers, which I am familiar with because when I was younger and I grew up in an Asian American community, this was very common. Obviously not this brand, but any kind of shrimp crackers or shrimp chips were super common. So I passed these along to my husband because I knew he was gonna love them. The Sakura green tea went to my mom because she is a lover of green tea, or any tea really. I didn't grow up with tea. The only time I ever had to drink it was when my mom would force me to when I was sick, so I don't have good associations with it. So I gave it to my mom so that she can enjoy it in her own time. Some Sakura donut like cake sticks, which felt kind of hard and I was a little concerned, but once you actually eat them, they're really sweet and soft and a fun like fluffy texture. Again, I gave them to my husband. Actually, I have one left. Let me show you what I have left. So this snack box came kind of filled with a lot of stuff, so I still have a couple of the salt crackers left. I have these little cuties. I love the packaging. And then I have the Japanese hard candy. Actually, we can try this now. since I did try some things on camera with that other video that I filmed, but the footage just didn't come out to my liking. So let's try these out. These are hard candy, and the packaging is nice because you could reseal it so it doesn't just spill or stay all over the place. So it's definitely just hard candy. Yeah, it's like the kind of thing you just like keep in your mouth and you like, pardon my words, but you suck on it. It tastes pretty good. And it's definitely, I'm sorry, I don't want to make mouth noises because I know that turns people off sometimes. It's definitely good, and it's not super sweet. Nothing in this box is too sweet or too spicy or like, you know, like too much. They still haven't broken down yet, but I'm trying to get this outro done. I will have their website linked down below. This is not sponsored or anything. I was sent this box for free because I think it's because I do a lot of Hello Kitty stuff or like Sanrio things on my channel. But ultimately, I think this was a fun way of exploring a different culture, and I can definitely see myself subscribing and having something to look forward to every season, because I don't think this is a monthly box and this is a seasonal box, kind of like Pusheen box. So I think it's nice to have something to look forward to. And honestly, as you can see, I've had this box for like 2 or 3 weeks, and these snacks just keep going. They give you a lot of bang for your buck. Certainly not stingy with how much they're giving you. It's still in my mouth. So I'm just gonna end this video here. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you have ever subscribed to this box, or if you do any other kind of food service snack box type of thing. Back in the day, I did one that was like Nature Box or something. I wonder if it still exists, because that one was actually pretty good. So let me know if you have any experiences with stuff like that, and stay safe out there. Until next time.